In this video, I will show you how you can make professional map animations like Vox and Johnny Harris in After Effects. So watch the video till the end. So here I am in After Effects. You will need a plugin called GeoLayers 3. To enable it, go to Windows, then Extensions. Here you will see GeoLayers plugin. If you don't have this plugin, comment link, and I will send you the link to download it. After that, a new panel will open. Now go to New Project. Here, select and zoom into the region you want to animate. Now click on Next. Here you can select different styles. Select any map style you want. Now it will create a map composition, but here the quality is not good right now, so go here and click on Finalize. Now the quality is good. Now we will begin animating the map. In the search bar, search the country's name. Here you can see it has also highlighted in the preview map. Now click on this pen icon to draw its features. This creates the shape of the country. Now click on this fit view icon to align it to the center of the screen. You can change its color to any color. Now go to blending options and select multiply. This makes the country highlighted with a color on the map. Now we will add stroke or outline to the map. Select the shape layers and press Ctrl+2 to duplicate it. Change its blend mode to normal. Go to fill options and turn to the fill. Now go to add and add stroke. Increase the stroke value to your liking. Now to animate the stroke, select the stroke layer, then go to Add, then Trim Paths. Go to its settings, then make a keyframe at the end property. Then go 1 second back and change its value to 0. Now it makes an animation like this. You can enhance its movement by selecting both keyframes, then press F9, then go to Graphs and make the graph look like this. Now in the main shape layer, you can add opacity keyframes to make a fade-in animation like this. Now what if you want to place the flag instead of the color? For this, import the map image and place it below the shape layer. Adjust the size to cover the whole shape of country. Now go to here and track matte and select the main shape layer. That is Alpha Matte Germany. Now you can see it has taken its shape. Change its blending mode to multiply to give it a highlight look. Now here is the important thing to do. Just parent this image to World Map Com. Layer like this, drag this coil icon to Map Comp Anchor. Or you can just select that layer from here, parent and link. Now the image will stay in one place, even if you zoom in or out. To make zoom-in animations, select the World Map Comp layer and go to the GeoLayers panel here. You can see a keyframe icon, click on it. This will make a keyframe in the timeline. Now go 1 second back and zoom out in the preview map. And now it looks like this. Now adjust the keyframes by easy ease them. Now we will make a zoom-in animation in any city or region. For this, copy the previous keyframes and paste it 1 second forward. Now search the region in the search bar. I am searching Berlin. Click on Fit View for automatic keyframes. Click on Pen tool to draw features. Here, I will decrease the opacity of the flag for better view. Do the same process of blending and adding stroke and fade and using opacity. Now you will get the zoom animation. If you go to its properties in pitch and bearing, you can actually give it a 3D look. Now again, go to here and click on this label icon to make a label of that region. This will make an animated label. Go ahead and paste previous keyframes now to make zoom out effect. Go to search bar and search the country name. Now click on Fit View. Now adjust the keyframes values to your need. And it's done. It's that simple. You have now made a professional map animation. If you like this tutorial, make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more map animation videos.